Hi everyone, welcome to Nana's Classic Stitches channel. If you are new to my channel, thank you for clicking, and returnees too, thank you so much. Today we're going to continue with same pattern again, but now there are some few things we need before we figure out our size. First of all, we will need our what do you call it, wax free paper tracing. Wax free tracing paper. It comes in blue. Where is it? It comes in blue, pink, white, yellow, and then you need your tracing wheel. This is for tracing our pattern and dots and so on and so forth. This is how it looks like. Okay, and now we need tracing paper. You can get it at Amazon. You can get it at artist shop, and some you can get it from the fabric shop. It's a long one, and they have a couple of meters roll up. They sell from the fabric shop. You can also get the craft paper from Amazon. You can use this too. So far I've shown you 3 different types that you can get, either from the artist shop, Amazon, or some fabric shops. They have it. And you need a curved ruler, a square ruler. I'm showing you this because sometimes I will use this and I don't want you to get confused. Straight ruler. These are from my school days, so once in a while I'll use that, and I don't want you to get confused. You can get all that I've shown you in plastic from Amazon. French curve ruler, straight ruler, and I don't have the square ruler in plastic, but as I say, you can get all this from Amazon. And you need your muslin. Okay, and today I think I should walk you through taking the measurement too. That would be a great idea. Besides needing all this that I said to get, it's better if I show you the taking the measurement. So hold on for a second. Okay, here I am. I forgot to tell you that you need your paper scissors and you need your measurement tape. But anyway, when you're doing your waist, please have a piece of elastic, maybe a quarter width or 3/8 width, and put it around your waist. If you don't know where your waist is, just bend on either side, and then the smallest dip. Or sometimes you can use your elbow where it hits. That's your waist. Where the elbow hit on your body, that's your waist. But you can also use the elastic to help you find your waist. First of all, I take the pattern gives you what? Your bust, waist, hips, and back waist length, but I also add extra to it. Okay, first of all, take your fullest measurement of the bust. Make sure it's straight at the back. Okay, and this is, put one finger in there. I do that. I put one finger in all my measurements. Okay, so I've taken measurements of this already. Okay, so the bust, the waist, the front waist length, okay, the front waist length, and back waist length, and write them all down. And one more measurement that I take, your, what do you call it? Just a second. It's not easy. Your chest. Okay? You have to let a person move their arms out of the way, and it had to come from under the armpit to the armpit around. Okay, so that's the your chest measurement. And put your finger in there too. Okay, so you have the bust, the waist, the chest measurement, front waist measurement, and back waist measurement. Okay, so take that and then write it all down, and from there we do the next video. If I give you all this in one shot, that will be too much. So next video we will do the pattern. Okay, I'll walk you through the pattern 6 to 10 and 12 to 16. This, it takes size 18. I did that, it didn't look good. As I said, every pattern you end up adjusting. So I try a different size. Okay, but I'll walk you through all that next video. If you need to take the next size from what your measurement says, or adjusting the pattern by using your tracing paper, by adjusting it. Okay, so I'll walk you through all that next video, and then I think after that we'll start laying the patterns on our fabric, on our muslin fabric to sew. So this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please keep sharing, because as I said, there's more goodies coming. So thank you for watching my video. Bye for now. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thanks.